Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Your phone key is paired, Bluetooth is on, and the Tesla app is logged into the account tied to the car. Once done, get in the driver's seat, put the car in park, and make sure the touchscreen is awake. Now tap the driver profile icon at the top of the screen or go to Controls Quick Controls to start editing. You do this first because the car captures steering, seat, and mirror positions from this state when creating a new profile. Next, adjust the physical and software settings. Move the seat, steering column, and mirrors. Set climate, steering wheel heater, and mirror fold. You should also set infotainment preferences like display brightness and radio presets if desired. After adjustments, tap Create New Profile or Save Changes, enter a descriptive name, and link the profile to the current phone key so it auto-loads. Make sure you confirm which settings are bound to the profile. This prevents accidental overwrites when another driver uses the car. To finish, enable auto-load so the car switches profiles when your paired phone connects. This ensures seat and mirror positions change automatically. If you need to rename or remove a profile later, open Profiles, Manage Profiles, and confirm with your PIN. If the profile doesn't load, start troubleshooting. Repair the phone key, reboot the touchscreen by holding both scroll wheels, or resave the profile after clearing cached Bluetooth entries. These steps resolve most sync problems quickly, so you can drive comfortably.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.